Hey guys, what's up? We are in Northeast St. Petersburg today. We're at a homeowner's house that had a high water bill, and I want to show you guys something you can check without having to call us first. So if you get a high water bill, come out to show you. See if you can find your water meter. This is what the newer ones look like. They have this transceiver, this transmitter on the top of them. You'll find this out in the yard somewhere. You can use a pair of channel locks and pick it up by here, all right? This is the meter you're gonna find out inside of it. Now, with no water on in the house, this is a digital meter. See how this is counting up? 30 gallons, 31, 32, 33. Make sure you don't have kids inside using the shower, no dishwasher, no faucets, no toilets running. Come outside and check your meter. It might save you some money from having to call a leak detector like us. If you did check everything in the house and it's still running, give us a call. We're in Northeast St. Pete. We handle all of St. Pete. We've done thousands of these in the areas. We'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.